Oh, I'm a little small. What? Get my hair utensils, please. Professional. Time for some crack.
Okay.
Hello everyone! Oh, welcome back to Naomi's Shabby Shaloon. That's the name of my salon, you know, Shabby Shaloon. Vincent came up with it. You can't see him, but I'm pointing at him. Yeah, a little bit lower. Yeah. Yes, hi! So we're gonna dye my hair today, and my hair is basically already blonde again. In this lighting it looks very blonde, but there are a lot of different colors in there. A little bit of light orange, peachy orange, then a little bit of green at the end. It's just full of colors. Paint with all the colors of my hair. Meat. Actually, I wanted to try something out. That's very new for me. I recently saw this video on Instagram. It always starts with me seeing videos on Instagram or YouTube, and then my life is going. Actually, so many of you sent me this video of Sophie Hannah dyeing her hair with UV hair dye, which is so cool. Calm down. Oh,
you're going crazy.
Crazy. So in this video, she dyed her hair with UV neon green hair dye, I think, and it looked really cool. But I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I don't want to dye my hair green today. This is gonna be a video for another day where I don't want to dye it in a UV shade. This is just gonna be an extra video. Uh-oh, spoiler alert. Am I gonna dye my hair broccoli green soon? Maybe?
Broccolomi.
Broccolomi! My name is really not suitable for those kind of things. So actually I think the video where Sophie Hannah dyed her hair in the UV hair color kind of went viral, so it was everywhere on Instagram. But all credit goes to her because she inspired me to do this. I want to try this out. I bought the same hair dye as she did, and let's fucking do this. So if I'm looking in this direction, I can see Vincent in the mirror, but you can't see him. So I bought this crazy color UV hair dye in the color Arnaki UV number 76. Arnaki. So actually this hair color brand has 4 different UV dyes. An orange one, which I have right here, a yellow one, a green one, and a pink one. Vincent is wearing my sunglasses and just sitting on my bed. It's like judging AF. Come on, show yourself with these glasses so they know what I'm talking about. You don't have to give me that look. This is no advertisement. I have never tried this hair dye before. I have no idea if this hair dye is good. I didn't even know the brand. Oh shit. I got my very professional hair utensils. Utensils. You and not me tensils.
Spill the tea.
I gotta spill the tea? I'm spilling my hair dye. I spilled 2 bottles of the hair dye in here. I think it's more of a subtle orange. I'm ready to glow in the dark under UV light. I'm not glowing in the dark, so just so you know. It's not like glowing in the dark hair dye. I do have very intense roots, but that's not gonna bother us today. We're just gonna live the UV life, you know. I'm done. Oh, and for all the people asking why I'm wearing a full face of makeup for dyeing my hair, I just filmed another video, which you're gonna see next week. Thanks for hyping me up, sis! So if you guys hated my orange hair, I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry.
Baby, I'm sorry. Not sorry.
Ew. Our neighbor is singing again. Love her. We're singing a lot too. No, we're never singing. And that's alright. Are you gonna be my flipper? When you can't use songs because of copyright, just sing them to yourself.
Oh.
Is that it?
You threw up on your shoulder.
Ew! So we're gonna work with 2 people on my hair now. Professional. Oh shit. No.
I'm professional.
I'm professionante.
Okay. Aww.
This is gonna be such a natural orange. Like, people are gonna think this is my natural hair color.
Rubbing it in.
Robbie Williams. And through it.
Whether I'm right or wrong.
Wherever it may take me.
Take me.
You know this song? Come on, come on, come on, come on. That was such a SingStar song. He made me good and made me out of sight. That hurts.
It's good when it hurts.
Wow. Ah! Ew. Flip it over to the other side.
Flip it over, flip it over.
It's a mess. It's a Mima mess.
This is working really good.
Your brain is so beautiful. I looked at it at night. Wow, the shabby shaloon is no longer shabby. That's how the professionals do it. I'm helping you. Can't see anything, I'm just doing whatever I'm doing. Fantastic. I guess my hair is still gonna be green at the ends because the orange can't cover the green parts of my hair. That's great. I think we should dye your hair. Once we actually bleached Vincent's hair and it did not go well.
And then I dyed it
Brown again.
2 weeks after.
Yeah. Yes. I want to sing a Disney song so bad. Disney, if you ever make a new Disney movie, hit me up. I'm right there to sing your song.
Now you gotta sell yourself. You gotta sing,
Okay.
you know, an original.
Siehst du den Kram? Gar nicht so schlecht.
An original. Your song. You gotta come up
Ach
with one.
so. Today is gonna be the day that I got it over. Today I woke up and my mother told me you smell like ass.
Yeah, Disney is gonna sell that right away. Maybe you should stick to singing, not songwriting.
Oh, you're gonna make a Disney song out of everything now?
Possibly, because my life is a musical.
I mean, I'm not a hair professional, but this is like the messiest thing ever. Imagine having everything we ever dreamed. Don't you want it?
Maybe.
Can't you see it?
Kind of.
Imagine first audition after college. I get the lead.
Apart from me.
Well, of course.
Yeah, right.
You gotta believe it. It's on me phone. I saw the sun. No, because the second part of Pitch Perfect was so bad. The tea is spilled. I hated it. Did you like it?
The third part, though.
Oh, I'm talking about the third one. Stop! Stop it! You pressed my tickle button. Ah! Why do I feel like this is gonna be so streaky? In the end. Ah! Maybe it's in the gutter. Are we done?
Look.
Ew. I hate when you do this.
Just twist it like this. Then you bend it like Beckham.
Alright, so I'm gonna let this soak in for I think 20 to 30 minutes. Actually, just like 5 or 10 minutes because we've been doing this for a long time. See you! Alright, I have just washed it out. Oh. Let me quickly blow dry it and then we'll see the results. This is, by the way, a very German accent and be happy about that I don't speak like this. Or would you like me to speak like this? Alright, see you with dry hair. Okay, so things got a little streaky up in here. I think my hair kind of didn't want to take the product. It's very intense in some certain spots, like right here, and just some strands of hair like randomly placed down here. I mean, it's not that green anymore, which is nice. I think it's time to do the UV test. Okay, I'm gonna turn all of my lights off and then I'm gonna turn on my UV light.
Ah!
Oh god, that was so intense. I'm ready. Ooh. Well, I guess it kind of works. Actually, I don't know if you have seen like hair in black light, but hair normally never glows. Like you can't see it at all. Even if it's white, you can't see it. So, I mean, it is working. It's just not orange. And that sucks. Wow! This is like the only orange part of my hair, like right here. Look at this hair. It looks really ugly.
It looks like...
That is gorgeous. I think that was a fail once again. I think there's some paint right there.
Yeah.
Alright. I love a good mustache. Vincent is gonna draw this BTS heart. It's so good!
What else do you want to tell us?
Nothing, this video is over.
This used to be a hair tutorial.
I used to make makeup tutorials. I actually have a really cool makeup tutorial with a UV black light paint on my channel if you want to check it out. I kind of want to see myself in like actual light. I'm gonna turn it off again. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram,
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat,
and the Naomijon on
Twitter.
Tell me in the comments down below if you like my new look. Tell me which hair color you would love to see on me next. I do have some visions, broccoli green, but I'm not quite sure if I want to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm so creepy.